So, welcome you to this session. Only 15 members joined. Why? Any other class is going on? Hello? Wajay? Abdul Wajay, can you hear me? This
Yes,
already
sir.
can.
Now chemistry class was going.
Now, chemistry class, who is conducting? Anybody else?
IP class, IP chemistry class.
IP chemistry class you should attend, man. Because your public exam is there in 20 days.
Yes, sir.
Unless,
Just now completed, sir.
very good, no problem. That's most important. Because you have to get at the end of the day a good score in IP, right? So, which of these cannot undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? You can say Friedel-Crafts alkylation, halogenation, or acylation, anything. Option A, benzene, B, toluene, C, phenol, D, aniline. Their names, once again, benzene, toluene, phenol, aniline, which will not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction in presence of AlCl3. They are Lewis acid catalyst. What is your answer, sir? Today's question number 1. Yes, sir? Answer C is wrong, sir. Answer C means you got -1 mark. First, to answer a question, I should know what is the concept. Why did they ask? Do I know what is Friedel-Crafts reaction? Do I know what it is? This compound is benzene. We normally don't write hydrogens because it is understood there are hydrogens. If you carefully see the 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 6 carbons, they are connected by 3 pi bonds. The electrons keep on moving and it is an electron-rich center. And if it is electron-rich center, naturally groups which love electrons, which carry positive charge, are attracted by it. Yes or no? In other words, I would say, it itself attacks the electrophiles because it is electron-rich. Why it is electron-rich? Because alternate pi bonds. Can you see it really? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
A is a male and B is his wife. AB, wife and husband. CD, wife and husband. EF, wife and husband. Okay, sir? Is a husband, wife. Now, let us draw a parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double bond, double bond, double bond. Do we know that every carbon also has hydrogen? We don't generally show hydrogens. Now, there is an electrophile. When the neighbor's wife is so beautiful, A is getting tempted to just bind with D. A is also having B, but not much interested. Now, the love is very, very strong here. Now, the pi bond connecting 1 and 2 carbons now is shifting 2E. Neighbor's wife, very beautiful. The electrophile has come. Now the pi bond, instead of connecting 1 and 2, is connecting 1 and E. Let us draw here. It has hydrogen. Sir, why the carbon number 2 got plus charge, sir? Hello? Why second carbon got plus charge? Why it got plus charge? Because the bond connecting 1 and 2, this bond shifted its loyalty from 1 to 1E. So 2 lost the electron, so it got plus charge. Can you see it really? Hello?
Yes,
Because now let us see. A has taken wife of C. Now what C should do, sir? What C should do? Come on. C will take wife of E. Come on. What he will do? What he will do? He will take wife of A, B. He is not interested anyway. Now at the final rearrangement, A locked to D, C locked to F, E locked to what?
B.
Very good. Some adjustment. Now, in our scenario, the bond connecting 1 and 2 has gone to 1 and E. Now what do we do? We will take away this. When this takes away this, we'll change here. Now who got plus charge, sir? Which
4.
carbon got plus charge? Now 4 is not a dirty rope to have plus charge. What it will do? Now what happened? Now who got plus charge, sir?
6, sir.
Now 6 is not a dirty idiot rogue to take plus charge. What it will do? It will take the bond connecting carbon and hydrogen. So now as a result, you got a pi bond here, here, here. E is there. Now who became orphan, sir? Who became orphan? Third is that at the end of the cinema, E plus has entered and replaced H plus. So one positive ion is replaced by another positive ion. That is called one electrophile is replaced by another electrophile. Hence it is called electrophilic substitution. In this electrophilic substitution, you got E plus. For example, in Friedel-Crafts chlorination, you will get Cl plus. Sir, are you crazy? How can I get Cl plus? In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, you get CH3 plus. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, you get CH3CO plus. Sir, how you are getting all this?
By using Lewis acid.
Yeah, the A could have not divorced his wife B unless because he has seen a more beautiful D. Right? The temptation is caused by D. Okay. Similarly here, AlCl3 is electron deficient, third group aluminum chloride. It is having only 6 electrons on aluminum. So aluminum is always interested in neighbor's wives with the jewelry. Because it has no jewelry, it has empty orbitals. Therefore, AlCl3 is going to take away Cl minus. AlCl3 is going to become AlCl4 minus. That's why orphan Cl plus is left. Here, orphan CH3 plus is left. Here, orphan CH3CO plus is left. Because in each case, AlCl3 is taking away Cl minus. Are we clean? Yes.
Yes, sir.
This Lewis acid generates an electrophile. The electrophile can be this or this or this. Lewis acid. What is Lewis acid? It can be AlCl3, it can be FeCl3, it can be TiCl4, it can be F3, anything. All are Lewis acids. They can generate electrophile by taking away X minus. Now, in the course of previous reaction, ultimately who came out? Who came out?
H plus.
And in the reaction mixture, E can be Cl, E can be CH3, E can be Cl, E can be CH3CO, anything, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. The E has come here. If Cl is coming, I call chlorination. If the CH3 has come, alkylation. If the COCH3 has come, acylation. Friedel-Crafts reactions. At the same time, you have also AlCl4 minus in the reaction mixture. That AlCl4, the H is not a dirty dog to have plus charge. So it will go and slap the AlCl4, dirty idiot rogue, because of you all the mess happened. So it will pick up the Cl minus, again AlCl3 and HCl are produced. So in the beginning there was AlCl3, at the end AlCl3. Therefore, AlCl3 is called a catalyst in these Friedel-Crafts reactions. Along with your chlorobenzene, you get HCl. Along with methylbenzene, you get HCl. Along with the acetophenone, you get HCl. Finally, AlCl3 remain as it is. Hence, AlCl3 is a catalyst. Are we very clear about it, sir? Hello?
Yes.
So, if you want me, write Friedel-Crafts chlorination mechanism. What I will do is, I will show you the mechanism once again. This is your benzene. This is your chlorination. Chlorine first reacts with AlCl3. I get AlCl4 minus and Cl plus. It is electrophile. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Why Al is taking the Cl minus means it is Lewis acid. It demands electron plate. Our next step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every carbon has hydrogen, but we are showing hydrogen only on first carbon because we are showing that it is going to be replaced. This bond connecting the 1 and 2 is being taken by Cl plus. So you get what, sir? H, Cl, where to put plus charge, sir? Yes? You got this, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir? I am putting double-headed arrows to say that it is resonance. Where to put plus charge, sir? One more resonance. Where to put plus charge? And finally, what is the final step? Last but one step. Again, it is resonance. Last step, Hs combines with AlCl4 minus. So finally, benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of AlCl3 to give chlorobenzene and HCl. It is called Friedel-Crafts halogenation. Carried out at 25 degrees centigrade in darkness. There should not be light. If there is light, the 5 bonds will break and the 2 Cls are added across every double bond. So you should not put light. It should be in dark. Okay, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, right? Now, X wants to marry Y. So they apply a priest. What is the job of priest, sir? What is the job of priest?
To wish them.
To make the marriage.
To read the Quran and to chant and to bless the marriage. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
But if the priest himself is going to take the bride, what happens?
X will become angry.
What bridegroom should do? So bridegroom should never take a priest who is likely to marry the bride. If the priest marries the bride, then the reaction will not happen between the bridegroom and bride. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
In Friedel-Crafts reaction, the benzene is reacting with chlorine and AlCl3 is a priest. It will allow this fellow to react with this fellow. At the end, you get chlorobenzene and HCl. Always the AlCl3 should help the Cl2 to give Cl+. It should help the methyl chloride to give CH3+. It should help the acyl chloride to give acyl carbocation. It should help in the generation of electrophile that attacks the benzene and of course the reaction completes. Now, let us go to our question. In this question, when I take AlCl3, the aniline itself is a basic material. So urgently AlCl3 tries to attack the aniline because it is acid, it is base. Therefore, AlCl3 is not generating any electrophile. The priest is reacting with the bride. Then what the bridegroom should do? What the bridegroom should do? Nothing. Reaction will not proceed. Therefore, the Lewis acid catalyst reacts with basic aniline. Hence, Friedel-Crafts reactions are impossible with aniline. Not only aniline, any aromatic compound that has a basic group. Are we very clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Notice, phenol is not basic, toluene is not basic, benzene is not basic, but aniline is basic, unfortunately. So, aminobenzene or aniline would not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because of its interaction with the Lewis acid catalyst. Yes, please. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
There can be a supplementary question for IP. Explain the Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is the reaction. Acetyl chloride reacts in presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3 to give COCH3 called acetophenone and HCl. What is the name of this? Common name. IUPAC name is 1-phenylethanone. 1-phenylethanone ketone. Are we very clear that it is CH3 or any doubt? Are you very clear that it is C double bond O or any doubt? Common
Clear.
name is acetophenone. If you want, this is a 4-mark question in board exam. If they ask this, you will write mechanism. First step, CH3COCl plus AlCl3 gives AlCl4 minus ion and
Plus
CH3CO plus acetyl carbocation. Our IIT question, if there is CH3CO plus, who will have plus charge? Because it has 2 resonance forms. The oxygen has 2 lone pairs. If the lone pair comes here, it will be like, why oxygen got plus charge, sir? Why oxygen got plus charge, sir? Hello?
Oxygen makes only double bonds, not triple.
Because oxygen given is a lone pair for a pi bond. Now, this is form 1, it is form 2. Which resonance form is major in these 2? 1 or 2? In form 1, plus charge is there on carbon. If form 2 plus charge is there on oxygen, which is major, sir?
1.
1.
Unfortunately, in IITG mains, they can ask this. Which is more stable means 2 is more stable. It is surprising. Sir, after all, carbon electronegativity is less, oxygen electronegativity is more. So why the hell you should have plus charge? Because in form 2, every atom got 8 electrons. If you see the Lewis dot structure of 2, I'm drawing here. CH3, C, triple bond, O. Look at every fellow. This carbon made 4 bonds means it has 8 electrons. This carbon made 4 bonds means it has 8 electrons. This oxygen made 3 bonds and it has a lone pair. It has 8 electrons. In a resonance canonical form where oxygen has plus charge, all the atoms have octet of electrons. So relatively it is more stable than the other form. The other form is like this. The other form is like this. CH3, C, double bond O, oxygen has 2 lone pairs. If I carefully look at it, has 8 electrons, no problem. This carbon is having only 6 electrons. That's why it got plus charge. This oxygen has 8 electrons. So in this resonance canonical form where carbon has plus charge, the carbon has only 6 electrons. In a structure where all atoms, central atoms have 8 electrons is much more contributing and stable. So the acyl cation where oxygen has plus charge is more stable than the acyl cation where carbon has plus charge. Are we clear? Are we clear?
Clear, sir.
That is for your IIT mains. Anyway, for IB, you don't go to that detail. Simply will show here carbon has plus charge. Once you got an electrophile, our next step is, I will clear this. This is benzene. You will show this hydrogen definitely. You can number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your CH3, C double bond O plus. So this bond connecting 1 and 2 will go there. So what you will get, sir? Hydrogen. Here COCH3. Here plus charge. Can you write other canonical forms? Hydrogen. COCH3. Double bond plus charge. One more canonical form. Can you write one more, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you write, we have no space. What is the final step, sir? AlCl4 minus will take this H plus. You have to write all the steps, 4 mark question. The product is called acetophenone or 1-phenyl ethanol. The reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. Are we clean on this, sir? Hello?
Yes.
So that is one IIT mains question.
So one doubt, sir. Sir, this acyl cation, this triple bonded oxygen, no, sir. That cation was more stable, no, sir. Then why
Yes, sir.
acetophenone is formed, sir?
No, the problem is CC bond is always stronger than OC bond in organic chemistry. Moreover, that much time will not be there. In order to get stability, the 5 electron will go, it should make a triple bond. But at the end, the C plus attacks with the C. CC bond is preferentially formed than your
Oxygen.
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay, sir.
Yes.
In one of the IIT papers, this question appeared this year. So I discussed with you. Okay, sir. What is the reason for the formation of meta product in the following reaction? Notice that if there is already electrophile on benzene, here the aniline aminobenzene is having a group on benzene NH2. That particular group which is there on benzene can be of two types. The group which is there on benzene can increase the electron density in benzene by giving away electrons. If the group is releasing electrons onto benzene, it is called as electron releasing activating group. The activating group is so called because it increases the electron density in benzene so that the electrophile E plus readily attacks further on benzene. Always E plus wants somebody who is having more electrons. Notice that if you have benzene, why the electrophile attacks benzene? Because it is the electron rich center. If you are rich, you get many friends. Many girls will love you unconditionally because you have so much money. Yes, you may not be much worried, but they say you are a nice guy, you are very handsome. Your voice is very, very audible. Huh? The way you walk is very, very pleasant. Wow, what a man you are. Wow, because you have a lot of money. Yes. Because benzene has electron density plus will attack. And now if there is a group on benzene that is increasing electron density, E will more happily attack. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Electron releasing groups are called activating groups. Your methyl, ethyl, alkyl, NH2, OCH3, OH, all these have a tendency to release electrons. The OCH3, OH, NH2, they release their lone pair of electrons through what is called a resonance. It is called plus or effect. The methyl group will release electrons through inductive effect because their carbon has no lone pairs. Whether it is an inductive effect or resonance effect, they are increasing electron density. Because they are increasing electron density, they are called activating groups. So these activating groups, if present on benzene, they have some lone pairs. It is giving the lone pair. The lone pair which is there on nitrogen is connecting nitrogen and carbon 1. When the carbon 1 is getting extra bond, the pi bond will go on to second carbon. Now it gets minus charge because it got extra electron. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It got a double bond. And of course, nitrogen, because it has given away its lone pair, it gets plus charge. Notice the second carbon got plus charge. Now what happens? If the negative charge became a double bond, now which carbon is getting minus charge, sir? Now which carbon is getting minus charge?
Para carbon.
Notice that if this comes here, again, sorry. If this goes here, oh, yes. If this goes here, this will come here. Now which carbon got minus charge, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the sixth carbon is also like second carbon. Therefore, this carbon and this carbon, 2 and 6 are called ortho positions, and the fourth one is called para position. Ortho and para positions are getting minus charge. So electrophile readily attacks in these positions. Hence, electron releasing groups, as I said some time back, are called ortho-para directing groups. What they are called? Ortho-para directing groups. Suppose if the benzene is having some group which is like NO2, Cn, CHO, C double bond O, COOH, NH3 plus, not NH2, CF3. All these groups are trying to take away electrons from benzene. They decrease the electron density in benzene, hence they are called deactivating groups. What they are called? Deactivating. If deactivating group is taking away pi electrons, now you see, here you are getting double bond no doubt, but the carbon in second position is getting plus charge. Similarly, if it goes there, the carbon in fourth position will get plus charge. Similarly, if it comes here, the carbon in second position gets plus charge. And whenever a electrophile is there, it already has a plus charge. The plus charge cannot attack ortho position or para position because the withdrawing group created positive charges there. So the electrophile is not interested to attack the benzene having a withdrawing group. But if you force it to attack, it will come to third position. That is called meta position. Are we very clean, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Electron withdrawing groups are called meta directors. Electron releasing groups are called ortho-para directors. There is only one exception to this rule. If there is a Cl or F or Br, the Cl, F or Br try to withdraw the electrons by inductive effect because they are more electronegative. At the same time, the Cl, Br, F have lone pairs of electrons. Therefore, the lone pairs are trying to flow into the benzene system due to resonance. So minus I effect is very powerful, trying to decrease the electron density of benzene. Plus R effect is weak, trying to flow the lone pairs into system. Both are operating. Then the inductive effect dominates, but due to plus R effect, ortho and para positions will be getting minus charge. Hence, when there is chloro, bromo, iodo, fluoro groups on benzene, no doubt it is deactivated, but still it is ortho-para directing. The only deactivating ortho-para directing groups are halogens. Are we very clean about it, sir? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if there is an electron withdrawing group, the incoming electrophile attack at beta position. If there is an electron releasing group, incoming electrophile will attack in ortho and para positions. Now, when I take aniline, normally in aniline, the NH2 is a releasing group. So it is ortho-para directing. However, if you are putting any acid, aniline will become anilinium ion, NH3 plus. When the aniline becomes NH3 plus, it is a deactivating group. And deactivating group will direct the electrophile to come to meta position. Hence, aniline is a strange compound. In nitration, it gives ortho product, para product, and also meta product. Are we very clear? Why
Yes.
aniline is giving ortho, para, and meta means partially aniline in nitric acid become anilinium nitrate. That NH3 plus anilinium ion is an electron withdrawing group and meta director. Therefore, the nitration of aniline using nitric acid will give me three products: ortho product, para product, and also meta product. Are we clean on this?
Yes.
Very good. So I explained you the concept related to the Friedel-Crafts reactions of benzene. Normally, it is one question in IIT mains, if you can listen. This is question number 1 on 24 February 2021, shift 1 by 1. Look at it. Could you get clarity on this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Got clarity.
Which force is responsible for taking off alpha helix structure of protein? You know, our body is made up of proteins. In proteins, there are something called amino acids. In amino acids, there is a kind of arrangement, and that is called alpha helix. The alpha helix is mainly due to hydrogen bonding, about which we studied in the class. All of you try to look at question number 7. What is the major product in the following reaction? Whenever HI is added, first step is H plus will be taken by pi bond to get a carbocation. The secondary carbocation is less stable, therefore the methyl group can shift to give you the tertiary carbocation. And the product is 3 in this reaction due to shift in the position of alkyl group. Try to work out this. That is your homework. Try to work out question number 7. Try to work out remaining questions of this paper and ask me your doubts. Do you have this paper with you, sir? Hello?
No, sir.
You don't have this paper?
No, sir.
Okay. I am sending this paper to you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All of you try to answer all the questions given in this paper without fail. Homework is try to do 25, 28 questions given in this paper without fail. I am sharing this. Wait for it. All of you I kept in your group, you can see whether you received it or not. You received it or could not send? All of you have sent the paper. Can you see? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. We got it.
All of you try to do that paper and get me doubts. And I'm going to close my class with that today. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Tomorrow ask me your doubts.
Thank you, sir.